What if I told you that right now you can build a fully functional AI app without writing a single line of code? No Python, no backend setup, no API chaos, just you and a tool from Google that literally turns your ideas into working AI apps. Meet Google AI Studio, one of the most powerful yet underrated tools that has ever released. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it to create your own AI tools, automating workflows, and even launch products without touching a single line of code. So, if you ever wanted to build your own ChatGPT style app or custom AI bot, this is your moment. So, first things first, what exactly is Google AI Studio? It's a browser based platform that lets you create AI models using Gemini, Google's own LLM, large language model. Think of it as a mix between Replit and Firebase. But for people who don't code, you type your idea, you give instructions, and AI Studio turns that into a working API you can use anywhere. And the best part is you don't even need to connect APIs manually. It gives you everything ready to plug and play. So, first things first, come to this website. I'll provide the link in the description. After that, you will be seeing this simple, basic UI or dashboard, whatever you say. Simply click on the build section, and here's the magic happens. This is where you teach Gemini what to do. For example, if you're a personal workout planner, you can create a daily gym plan based on your goals and time available. Let me show you an example. As you can see, I had simply wrote create an AI app that reminds daily gym plan based on user goals and time available. As simple as that, very simple, nothing fancy. As you can see, it's already writing the code on its own. So the AI app is ready. Build muscle. Let's see what it has made. What's your primary goal? Build muscle, lose weight, improve cardio, increase strength, general fitness. Okay, I'll go to the how much time do you have? 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes. Create my plan. Let's see what it can make. I can even decrease the minute. So as you can see, it has generated 60-minute muscle builder planner. Warm up will be jumping jack 2 sets, leg swing 2 sets, arm side circles 2 sets, 10 forwards, 10 backwards, body weight squat, main workout barbell squat, dumbbell bench press, bent over rows. Okay, not that bad. It's pretty basic. And within seconds, it builds your logic, context, and flow. You can test it right now. And if you like the output, simply click to get the API from here, and boom, you got your own AI mini product. That API can be used in any fronted app, website, or even chatbot. Now, this is where it gets fun. Even if you don't know HTML or JavaScript, it provides quick integration templates. If you come here, you will see a lots of free templates available. What kind of website or app you want to build? Within 5 minutes, you can turn a simple prompt into a fully functionable AI app. And believe me or not, the possibilities here are insane. And it's connected to Google's ecosystem. You can scale it later with Firebase, Gemini app, or Google Cloud when you're ready. So, if this video opened your eyes, don't just leave it here. Go try it. Build something today, even if it's small. Because a year from now, AI will not be just be a cool tool. It will be your competitive advantage. Hit the like button if you are testing AI Studio right now, and subscribe because next week I'm saying you something more bangers. This is the future of building, and you're still early. So I'll catch you in the next one.